Forever Young, Unlocking the Secrets of Longevity. Written by Brian Gibson, narrated by John Sullivan. Chapter 1. Introduction. When Darwin proposed the hypothesis of evolution by natural selection, two significant problems weakened the grand theory's reliability. The first was the existence of insect species with social organization, bees, ants, termites, etc. Suppose natural selection favors individuals with greater survivability, fitness, and reproductive success. How could it be explained that the worker individuals of these species nurtured the queen's offspring and did not procreate themselves? What possible selective mechanism could favor genes that result in such strange behavior? Darwin, the father of modern biology, did not know how to answer. As an improvised patch for a new fabulous dress with an ugly tear, he justified this by arguing that such behavior was favored because it was beneficial to the species. Darwin 1871. He was wrong, and a supposedly correct answer was discovered almost a century later, as will be discussed soon. The second problem was even more severe. For many species, Homo sapiens included, in the wild, a decline in fitness accompanies the increase in chronological age, that is, under natural conditions, mortality rates increase with age. Regarding this decline in fitness, described as old age in its most advanced expression, a terrible and well-known name, how was this explainable if it is true that natural selection favors the fittest to survive? Darwin had two possibilities, both complex and fraught with complications. The first, non-adaptive hypothesis, demanded the admission that natural selection could not favor fit genes to maintain stable fitness as age increased. Yet, how was it possible that natural selection, which is believed to have shaped the eye, the brain, the hand, and countless wonders in an endless array of animals, plants, fungi, and microbes, was unsuccessful in maintaining stable fitness in older ages? Moreover, if this was the explanation, how was it possible that this hypothetical inability of selection was more significant for those species that age more rapidly and less for other species that age more slowly or appear not to age at all? The other possibility, adaptive hypothesis, was that this decline in fitness had some unknown evolutionary advantage. But this alternative seemed even more complicated. How could an early death be advantageous in evolutionary terms? Who could support such an idea with...
Sample complete. Ready to continue?